I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Search and select the JetEngine action. Connect to JetEngine. JetEngine connected successfully. Next, choose a task. Map the respective fields. Under Utilities, you'll find some advanced features. Select both checkboxes to display the post type on the admin menu. Per your requirements, you can add conditional logic as well. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the JetEngine dashboard. Then navigate to the post type. Here you can see that a post type was created successfully. It is also displayed on the admin menu bar. Thanks for watching.